Yeah, welcome to this video. I'm going to make this video very, very short. What I want to show you is how you can install plugin to WordPress successfully without any issue. And this doesn't matter if you are a WordPress expert, you are a newbie, or you are not even a tech savvy. Just stick around this video. And in case you are new here, do not forget to subscribe to this channel and turn on bell notification. All right, let us go straight into it. So what you are going to do, if you actually want to install WordPress is that you make sure that if you actually want to install a plugin rather, you make sure that WordPress is installed. So you have your WordPress in place. In case you don't know how you can install WordPress to your domain and hosting, just watch this video right here on how to install WordPress. So I'm going to make the video available in the comment section. I will link the link in the comment section or video description. And when I'm done with that, you will be able to click that in case you don't have a WordPress. So once you have a WordPress, you know this is how the interface looks like, and this is where you are going to land on your dashboard. So you scroll down and you see this called plugins. You can see it right here called plugins. So click on the plugins and click on add new, or even if you just click on the plugin, you are going to see an option to add new. So now if you have plugins on your WordPress before, you are going to see some of the plugins right here. Some of the plugins you are going to see them, and if you don't have, it will be zero. So the option is to see add new, and that is to click on the add new plugin so that you can actually add a new one. So when you get to this phase, now you have to do something. You have to search for the name of that plugin that you want. So you can search for the name, that if you already know the name of the plugin, and there are some scenario whereby you don't even know the name of the plugin that you want, but there's a particular idea in your head that you want to install a plugin for. So let's say I want to install a plugin that will help me to design slides for slides. So I'll just search for slide right here. So once I search for slides, so this plugin is to design slides. So once I search for slide, I will be able to see a whole lot of plugins that make slides. I hope you understand. So immediately I did this, you can see a lot of plugins that do slides. So the same thing applicable to you depending on what you want to do. And if you already know the name of your plugin, just come here straight and search for the name of the plugin. Then click this install now button. So immediately you are done installing, then you activate. So I'm going to show you the other method that you can also use to install a plugin if you don't want to come to this phase or your plugin is not available on WordPress. I will show you something. But before then, immediately you are done installing, click on activate so that you can actually start using the plugin that you just installed. All right. So, and that's it. You can see plugin activated. Plugin activated. And if you scroll down, sorry for this, if you scroll down, you'll be able to see this plugin. So this plugin is available and the instructions to go through will be given to you according to the plugin. Maybe you have to click on whatever, and that's it. I've successfully installed the plugin. So let us say in a scenario whereby your plugin is not available in the plugin store on WordPress and you have your plugin as a file. You have your plugin as a file, so you can just install the file rather. So just like you can see right here, I have a plugin here called Thrive Architect Editor. So this plugin is for landing page design and it is the pro version, the pro version. So I will just click on add new. This is the other way around in case if your plugin is already a file, and I'll click on upload plugin, upload plugin. So this time around, I am not searching. I will just click on upload plugin. So I can drag this file into here, or I just choose file and it takes me to my file folder. So just make sure that you have the file right here, and I'll click on install now, and I'll click on install now. Though I just put the file, you can click on choose file so that you can go search for the file on your laptop if it is not just downloaded. So giving it a minute for this thing to actually load, and I install using the other way around. So while waiting, if you found this video helpful, do not forget to comment and like. So, and that's it. Thanks for doing that. So this thing is loading already. It's already installing the plugin. You can see uploading the package. So now it says plugin installed successfully. So what next is to activate plugin, So immediately I'm done with that, I will be able to design my pages with Thrive Architect. So you can see, in case you need the pro version of this Tribe Architect plugin for landing page design, you can actually send me a DM on WhatsApp. Just check the video description. I will attach my WhatsApp link there. So this is it. So I have the plugin now. So now if I have any page here, I will be able to build that page, design that page with this plugin. For instance, you can see now, edit with Tribe Architect is because the plugin is available. If I go delete the plugin, this option will no longer be available. Should we try that out? Yeah, we can actually try that out for you to be sure of what I am saying, for you to be sure. And if you subscribe to this channel, there's an upcoming video that will be available on how to design a landing page. So just subscribe and turn on the bell notification. Anytime you are watching, I might have uploaded it. So check it out on the WordPress playlist. So let me deactivate this plugin back um and delete. So done. So let me go back to the pages. Let me go back to the pages. You can see edit with Tribe Architect is no longer there. So that's just it. I just showed you how to upload a plugin for the two options available. In fact, I even showed you how you can upload a plugin even if you don't know the plugin you want to upload or the plugin you want to install. The plugin you want to install. So thanks for watching. I appreciate this. See you in the next video. Till next time, stay jiggy.